Hey, bub.
What?
Do you really love your sister?
Two. I love it too. I love her too.
You love her too much? Okay, come and give her a kiss. Right on her mouth. You really love her, do it. You gotta do it.
I can't kiss her on the mouth.
If you love her, you'll do it.
You're so messy.
Yeah, but if you love her, you'll do it. Then you don't love her? Huh? You won't kiss that face? Yeah. Oh, Bubba, kiss your head, though. She's just such a messy eater. Yeah, she'll agree to it. She's a messy eater. She's a messy eater. She's a messy eater. Not right now, not right now.
I'm just gonna show it.
Oh. Come on, buddy. Kiss her right on the mouth. Yeah. 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 That's what you think about it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You like sweet potatoes? Ugh. You like sweet taters? You like sweet taters? You ready for more bites? You ready for more bites? Yeah? Oh, look at those hands. Yummy! Sweet taters.